I have a ice maker model JBND-27 and a Frigidaire model FFHB2750TD5. This is only a year or so old, has quit making ice. I have checked the water supply, good temp on freezer, makes a little ice sometimes when I look and the fan is not running, thinking it's the module.
When did you last replace your Frigidaire ice maker's water filter?
Days ago.
How long has this been going on with your Frigidaire ice maker? What have you tried so far?
Couple of weeks, all the normal things. Water, temp on freezer is good, makes a little, took it apart, not froze up, but as I said, fan is not running, should it be?
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I'm pretty good at working on units of all kinds, trying to troubleshoot this. Could it be the module motherboard?
Good afternoon. My name is. I'll be assisting you with your appliance today. Please give me a moment to review your question.
No thanks.
These ice makers do fail often because they are made by Samsung for Frigidaire, and Samsung is not known for reliability at all. The ice maker you'd need to order for your model is ## if it's bad. Below is a link to the part. Click here for ice maker. https://www.repairclinic.com/part details/ice maker assembly /243297609/492938. Probably the best thing to do is determine if the ice maker isn't cycling and calling for water, or if water isn't actually making it to the refrigerator. First, make sure the ice compartment is below 10 degrees because the ice maker will not cycle if the temperature in the freezer is over 10 degrees. Next, fill up the ice maker with a cup of water, use a turkey baster or something since it's a tight area, and wait 24 hours to see if it cycles and dumps the ice. If it doesn't cycle, replace the ice maker because it's just bad. If it cycles but doesn't fill up with water, check the fill tube behind the ice maker, and if it's frozen solid, use a hairdryer and thaw it out. You can also make sure it's not frozen by disconnect the water line coming from the ice maker and going to the valve at the valve. Blow through the water line to make sure it's clear. If it's not frozen, you'll need to replace the electronic water valve on the back of the refrigerator where your water supply line from your house connects to your refrigerator itself. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
How much is the module and part number? Thinking this is what is bad.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.